In this video, I'm stepping away from the norms of the gang and the killing, which may have some more killing to report on. And I want to talk about a boy from Trinidad. And it's not shocking what happened to him, but in this video, I'm showing y'all the culture of Trinidad. And long time ago, a friend of mine told me that in Trinidad, they use monsters, like real monsters, like a gremlin. They have a thing look like a gremlin. I think they call it some kind of bee name, but once you acquire that, you have to feed it, and if you don't feed it, it will kill you, but it bring you good luck. So look at this video on Trinidad, yo.
The Valencia River this morning, right? Over there, you seen candle lighting on this island. You seen about 8 blue soap in the water. Once it's terrible, the water looking like fucking dead water. You dig? You seen a hole they will let dig and bury up some kind of thing there. You overs? I want you to know this.
You have more OBEAH work at Trinidad than Jamaica. You say you have a little thing, it look like a monster. And them people, they must go Guyana or one of them places to go get it. But you have to feed it. It's like a gremlin. And it bring you money and some other shit, dog. The man said him did a work for some rich people and them did have a gremlin in a room where him and the other security guard did have to feed. I mean, I said, wow, a blood clot gremlin. But listen, Trinidad are one of the biggest OBEAH working country. Cause me a Jamaican and me know Jamaicans. They work a whole heap of OBEAH. The OBEAH get so popular in Jamaica, all the scammer them are weird gathering now. At one time gathering was just for certain people. So yeah, watch the rest of the video here and let me know what you think. But listen to this and you eat that raise the ear at the back of your neck. All the people them I use a public river where people forgot do blood clot, OBEAH and voodoo. Wonderful subscribers and viewers, we have a new channel. It's called Countryman Canada, and this channel it's geared towards Canada and the gangster them and the dirty boy them and the knackies and the pussy roll them. Countryman is gonna talk about them because let me tell you something about Canada. There is a lot of Caribbean people living in Canada, and if you know some of the stuff they go through and do, it make your hair spin. Canada is not a bed of roses. So this is in a partnership with 6 Degrees. Check out Countryman Canada, the YouTube channel.
I want you to know there's a fucking public place in all your backyard and in all your temple. Don't be coming by the fucking public river to perform all the rituals, please, no man. You understand? The people of Valencia don't like that. We don't like it. Why we must come and have to bathe amongst this vibes, candle lighting, fucking blue soap in the water, the place stink, all kind of old fruits all over the place, then clean up, they planting flag, like there's a fucking temple, them Baptists and them mother cunt Hindus and them. I'm talking plain right now and give a fuck. What's going on? I just didn't zoom in too close to it, but that's exactly what's going on. This pool here, non-stop they're coming and burying idol god day. Down on that side, the same thing, they're only burying a set of fucking idol god by the river. What happened? There's a fucking voodoo site or the public river where people coming and bathing the churn and thing, Jed. I'm posting up this because what the shit is stop. You dig? Look at blue soap in the fucking water. You know, son? I'm going to go down closer so you can see my blue soap in the water. Come up here to see my prayers and smoke my little watch. You can see they bury something right here. They bury something here. Bury something down there too. You understand? Got blue soap in the water, watch. Chat blue soap in the water. You see all them blue soap there? The candle over there lighting. All on the bank. You dig? Come on man, they not fucking ritual site. All of them mother come to that now. To come back fucking and do that again. We not on that.